Doing some from the assess. This is section 3, page 46-47. I'll jump in at grade C, I think. It says factorise this thing fully. This is question 5. I've got 15xy squared minus 24x squared times y. Take out the common factors. That's going to be 3. I can take an x from there and an x from there. I can take a y from there and a y from there. So that's the maximum I can take from each of these two terms. Bracket negative. 3 times 5 makes 15. To get y squared, need another y inside. Y times y is y squared. 3 times 8 will give me 24. And to give him an x, I've taken an x out, but to get x squared, put another x back inside. And when I multiply the 8x with the y, I'm going to end up with the y inside anyway. Have a quick check. 3 times 3 is 15. X is on its own, fine. Y times y is y squared, checked. 3 times 8 is 24, but it's negative, that's alright. X times x, x squared. Y times this expression will give me a y at the end there, so that's correct. Done. I've got to simplify some of these. I'll just do one of them. I'll do 6c, because it's got negatives in it. And take away 3 lots of 2y, 2y minus 4. Okay, multiplying out. 8y plus 4 minus 3 times 2 minus 6y minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Simplifying. 8 plus 6, 14 y's, 4 plus 12. So it's a minus, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Slow down. 8y minus 6y is 2y, and 4 plus 12 plus 16. That'll do. Check, check. Doing, doing. Yes, good enough. Right, that's the last one done. Question 7's too easy. I think I'll do 8c. It says this. It's another double bracket. So 4f plus 3 multiplied by 3f minus 4. Okay, 4f times 3f. 12f squared, that's that and that. 4f times 4 will be 16f's, but of course it's negative. 3 times f, 9f's. 3 times 4 is 12, but of course it's negative. Simplifying, 12f squared minus 16 plus 9 will give me, I don't know, 7's. It says minus 7f's, because 9 plus 7 makes 16. And minus 12 at the end. That's that one done. Write an expression for the area of each of these polygons. I've done all this before. I think I'll do B only. What I've got here is a trapezium, as is usual. This is assess question 9b. 8 is that base there, and the lesser base, the smaller base, is 3d, and the height I'm given as d minus 1. Remember, that plus that, halve it, then multiply by the height, but we'll do the halving at the end. So let's just work over here now. So I've got 3d plus 8 multiplied by the height, which is d minus 1. Get the answer, simplify it, then halve it. So I'm not going to write the word area yet. That's not going to happen, is it? So I've got 3d squared minus 3d plus 8d minus 8 altogether. 3d squared on its own minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5d, minus the 8 at the end. Therefore the area is going to be half of this, which is 1.5d squareds plus 2.5 d's, and half of 8 is 4, minus 4. Done. That's that one. Question 10. Oops, drop the pen. Question 10. Let's go over the page and see what we get. It says expand and simplify. It's one of these double brackets, then another double bracket, then you either add them or take them away. Let's just do the harder one, involving t's. Oh, it's boring. I've done it before in the previous video. So this is 10a part 2. T plus 4, I'm going to speed up, and if I make a mistake, you know, tell me in class. Yes, first mistake, I can't do minus properly. Minus 3, and then I'm going to subtract t plus 3 multiplied by t minus 4. Remember, dangerous. put a big bracket around that one because you're minusing all this. Right, first bit, t squared minus 3t plus 4t minus 12. That's that little bit. Minus, get this out, t squared minus 4t plus 3t minus 12. Close that off. Simplify this. T squared plus t minus 12. Subtract t squared minus t minus 12. T squared minus t squared, by the way, all equal. T squared minus t squared is gone. T minus minus t means t plus t. In other words, 2 t's. And minus 12 minus minus 12 means minus 12 plus 12, so plus nothing. And that's quite boring, because I think I did this exactly same question in a previous video. They should have given us a different one. I think I'll do 11. It says any even number can be written as 2n, and any odd number can be written as 2n plus 1. Show that the product of an odd number and an even number is always even. In other words, multiply these two expressions. So that requires a bracket. 2n times 2n, 4n squared. 2n times 1 is going to be 2n. Now, let's have some conclusions. Don't leave it like that. 4n squared equals even. And then we say 2n is also going to be even. We know that. And then we're going to say even plus even is always going to be even. And that's a good enough proof. End of assess 3. I'm going to prep unit 4, see what that's all about. And I'll get back to you when I can. In the meantime, you start working hard.